Summer Fun Combo. Yan ang gagawin natin for tonight's video. So, ang unang perfume na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon is si Kadlaj Island Dreams, which is a dupe of LV Symphony. And ang ating co-combine sa kanya na perfume is si Lattafa Najdia. Alright, so si Lattafa Najdia, as you are aware, is a dupe of Invictus Aqua. Alright, so ano nga ba ang kakalabasan ng ating combo na to? Alright, so si Lattafa Najdia muna, spray natin ng 2 beses kasi this is the perfume na mas malakas ang amoy. Alright, do 2 sprays sa right wrist natin, si Lattafa Najdia, and then si Kadlaj Island Dreams, 2 spray din sa ating right wrist. Okay. Alright. Fresh na may pagkas oceanic na amoy. Na fruity, na citrusy, na amoy dagat. Parang naamoy ko na to before. I just don't remember kung ano yung perfume na naamoy ko from this combination. I think ang ganda. Nawawalan ako ng words na sasabihin kasi nga I'm amazed dito sa combination na to. Ang ganda ng combination. I did not really think na itong suggestion ni ChatGPT would be this good. Okay. Nakuha ko na to sa ChatGPT when I checked on possible combinations ni Lattafa Najdia. And it suggested nga na i-combo natin siya with Kadlaj Island Dreams. Now, this is an amazing combination. Again, I'm lost for words. If you can try this, if you have both scents in your collection, like Invictus Aqua na DNA, and then Louis Vuitton Symphony na DNA. Doesn't have to be both these perfumes that I'm currently holding right now. Giant. It's a perfume combination na very unique and very attractive. I think you'll get a lot of good feedback from people that will be able to smell this combination. So, ayan, ang ating combination for summer. Subukan nyo and leave some comments below kung ano yung magiging feedback nyo sa dalawang combination na to. So, alright. So, yan na muna ang ating video for tonight. Hopefully, magustuhan nyo yung combination na to as I did. Okay? And if I would rate it amongst all of the other combinations that I have already done, I think I'd really rate this very highly. Probably around top 5, top 3 amongst all of the combinations that I've done. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!